हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मी अंकिता एंड आज हम सीखने वाले हैं ब्यूटीफुल सा एमएल लुक। सो आई होप यू गाइस लाइक दिस। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो सबसे पहले हम स्किन केयर करेंगे। सो रोज टोनर यूज़ करेंगे। यू गाइस कैन यूज़ लाइक कोल्ड वाटर एज वेल, ठीक है, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव रोज वाटर। एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू अप्लाई मॉइस्चराइज़र, ठीक है, वॉट एवर मॉइस्चराइज़र यू लाइक। सो आप वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड in a very gentle motion you guys can do this and apply this moisturizer. And after moisturizing you have to use like lip balm, so to prep your lips basically. So for this I'm using Organic Harvest lip balm. This is amazing lemon in flavor. And after that I'm using this Himalaya under eye cream. So yeah, it basically gives the hydration to your under eyes. And also ready your skin for makeup. After that I'm using this tissue paper to remove all the excess product. And now it's time to apply primer. So this is Lakme primer, Blur Perfect primer. It has a little bit tinted like texture, tinted color. It gives you a smooth surface and also prep your skin for makeup. So this is very important step basically. Skincare is very important. So whenever you do makeup, first do skincare and then apply foundation and all the products. So now it's time to like apply this age rewind concealer. So today's method of applying base is different because I use first concealer, which is lighter than my skin tone. This is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So this is the eyeshadow brush. Brand name is Mistral of Milan. So basically I highlight all my highlighted areas of my face. So my jawline, chin, cupid bow, under eye area, forehead area and bridge of the nose. Now it's time to apply contour. So for this contouring I am using this NYB brand contour shade, brown in color. So contour shade is always used to sculpt your face. After that I am using this foundation. This is Maybelline Foundation Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, 24 hours stay. And this brush is Puna Store brush, and blend foundation and concealer both equally. To blend this concealer and foundation I am using dabbing method. After blending all the foundation and concealer, it's time to blend contouring part. With the same brush I'm doing this, and also use the technique, dabbing technique. After that, I'm using compact. This is Lakme compact. Basically, compact is used to pack your foundation, and I'm using this compact to pack my foundation, basically to lock my foundation. So to give more dimensions to my face, I'm using this Swiss Beauty palette, and in this palette I'm using this brown contour shade, basically to sculpt my face, to give more dimension. This is Wet n Wild Pro Contour brush I'm using. After that, it's time to give more dimension to nose. So here it is. So I hope you guys enjoying my video. So if you are enjoying, then definitely subscribe to my channel. Also share this video to someone else, and also let me know in the comment section what you think about this makeup look. So for blusher, I'm using this Revolution palette and Mistral of Milan blush brush. So for this eye makeup look, I'm using this Fashion Artist Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm using the brown shade to enhance my socket line, to give the depth to my eyes. So this is the rust color, and I'm using this to blend it, my socket line, exactly the brown shade. So now the last shade is this pink shade, because it gives you the freshness and also enhances the eye look basically. So again, you have to blend it very beautifully and seamlessly. I'm also applying this pink shade underneath the eyes. Using this cream shade in the lid area, and definitely in the brow bone to enhance my brow bone. This is the palette, Wet n Wild palette, Rose in the Air. And this is Blue Heaven kajal, and applying this kajal in the whole lid basically. the center of my lid. And the next step is to blend with the brush. Again, I'm using the same process in another eye, applying this kajal and also blend this kajal with the brush. To create emerald look, I'm using this palette. It has a beautiful emerald green shade and I'm using this in a dabbing motion, applying this shade in whole lid. Also apply this green shade underneath the eye. And again I'm using this Glam 21 palette. It has beautiful shades, 51 shades, and I'm using this green shade and applying in the inner corner of my eyes. And now it's time to blending. I'm blending all the harsh lines so that it gives me a little soft look. After this look, I'm using Stay Quietly eyeliner, black in shade, and applying a very thin liner. And I'm using kajal in my lower waterline and applying this silver shade in my inner corners. And this is Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. This is a blush palette basically. You guys can use any silver shade, whatever you have. And again I'm using this brown shade from Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist palette to create my eyebrows. This is HB Bronson professional brushes. And it's time to brush your eyebrows. Basically it gives you a soft look. For more glam look and for more enhancement, I'm using this highlighter. This is Maybelline highlighter, Molten Gold. With the help of fan brush, I'm applying this. This is Wet n Wild fan brush. And I basically highlight my areas. I'm using René Fab lipstick, and then I'm using this spray. This is rose water spray, but you guys can use normal water spray as well, or you guys can use fixer spray as well. After that I'm applying this mascara. This is Wet n Wild mascara, double XL mascara. And for false eyelashes I'm using this glue. This is normal adhesive glue, and these eyelashes are Electromania eyelashes. I like these eyelashes because it gives you a natural look. Now I'm using this pink lip gloss, and after that I'm dust off all the powder, and this is the final look. So enjoy this look. If you like this makeup, if you like this look, definitely subscribe to my channel. Also share this video to someone else. I hope you guys do it. Bye bye guys, take care, have fun, enjoy. Bye bye.